Head massage. First step, alternately pluck the forehead upwards with your thumbs. Second step, push from the center of the eyebrows to the outer ends of the eyebrows. Third step, gently lift and pull the Jingming acupoint. Fourth step, gently stroke around the eyes in circles. Fifth step, gently rub the Taiyang acupoint. Sixth step, gently rub both ears. Seventh step, gently rub the sides of the neck with both hands. Eighth step, clasp your hands and gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of your head with your fingers. Ninth step, lift and pull the neck. 10th step, massage the top of the head with your knuckles. Quickly learn it and try it on your family. Back meridian massage. Step 1, push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Step 2, lift and pull the neck. Clench your fist and strengthen the push with finger knuckles. Step 3, straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 4, clench one hand into a fist and straight push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Push the left side, then push the right side. Step 5, push both sides of the scapula. Point need the Tianzong acupoint. Finally, clench your fist and rub the entire back until warm. Soothe and relax the back muscles.
This pretty lady unfortunately got a stiff neck, so today let me share with you guys some quick techniques to relax her neck. Step 1. Use our thumbs to relax her entire neck. From top to bottom. Massage 10 times. Step 2. Knead the entire infraspinatus muscle. Knead the cervical vertebrae. To relax. Okay, step 3. Look down. Press Fengqi acupoint with thumbs. Right thumb presses the scapular side. Open up blockages here. There's usually a tight tender point here. Knead it open. Okay, step 4. Press neck acupoints with thumbs. Press down. Turn your neck towards me. Turn left. Stretch to the limit. Turn boldly. Okay, up. Do about 10 times. Press down. Turn left. Turn boldly. Okay, about 10 times total. Last step is very simple. Press up a little. This is the most crucial step. Okay, open up. Stiff necks are usually caused by wrong sleeping postures, leading to blocked qi and blood flow. That's why there's neck pain. Opening it up relieves the pain. Okay. Hold for about 30 seconds. Okay, up. Feel it. Wow, so magical. It's gone.
Waist relaxation techniques are here. First, spread massage oil on the waist for soothing and relaxation. First step, use your fingertips to push straight along both sides of the waist. Second step, use your thumbs alternately to make a Z-shaped push, being careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Third step, make a fist with both hands and use your knuckles to push along both sides of the spine.
Hand massage tutorial. Step 1. Relax with both hands using the thenar eminences. Soothe the entire back of the hand. Step 2. Scrape the thenar and hypothenar eminences. Scrape from the top down towards the fingertips. Step 3. Push the finger joints. Repeat each movement 10 to 15 times. Step 4. Use the thumbs of both hands alternately to press the Lao Gong point in the palm. Step 5. Knead the interdigital area of each finger. Similarly, repeat each movement 10 to 15 times. Step 6. Interlock the palms and tap the Lao Gong points. Step 7. Smooth the fingers. Each finger should make a sound when tapped.
Abdominal massage. Step 1. Point knead in sequence the Shangwan acupoint, Zhongwan acupoint, Xiaowan acupoint, Shuifan acupoint, Tianshu acupoint, Daimai acupoint, Qihai acupoint, Wailing acupoint, and Guanyuan acupoint. Step 2. Straight push the midline of the abdomen with both thumbs, then retract to both sides. Step 3. Point knead both sides of the Ren meridian. Step 4. Straight push the 3 lines of the abdomen with clenched fists. Step 5. Push the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon with the palm. Step 6. Push and knead around the navel with finger knuckles. Step 7. Perform a rhombus push around the abdomen. Step 8. Lift and pull the dimeridian on both sides of the abdomen. Step 9. Cross hands and rub the abdomen horizontally. Step 10. Alternately soothe the abdomen with palms to expel gas. Rub the abdomen in circles. Overlap hands and rub the abdomen horizontally.
Thigh massage technique. Step 1. First, use the thumb to push straight up along the center line of the thigh. After returning, use the palm to push upward. Next, use the thumb to push along the outer side. After returning, use the palm to push upward. Use the thumb to push along the inner side. After returning, continue to push upward with the palm. Repeat each of these 3 lines on both legs 8 to 15 times. Step 2. First, use both hands and fists to push straight up and down. Repeat for each leg 8 to 15 times. Then, use inching pushes to increase the intensity. Step 3. Use the base of both thumbs to spread push the muscles on both sides. Repeat on each leg 8 to 15 times. Step 4. Use both hands to perform a Z pattern cross push. Repeat for each leg 8 to 15 times. Step 5. Use both palms to lightly pat the inner thigh, allowing the muscles to fully relax. Repeat on each leg 8 to 15 times. Step 6. First, alternate both palms to push upward. Then, press downward in the direction of the feet.
Today, I will share some home leg meridian massage techniques. First step, use your thumbs to push straight, and then press and knead the Qingshan and Weizhong acupoints respectively, and then soothe and bring back. Do 8 to 10 repetitions of each set of movements. Second step, do 8 repetitions of plucking from the inside to the outside. The movements should be slow, steady, and forceful. Each time, the same as to soothe and bring back. Third step, make a fist and use your knuckles to push the entire leg to the leg pit area, but be careful not to apply too much force to the popliteal fossa. Fourth step, make a fist and pat to relax the leg muscles. Finally, soothe and relax the entire leg. Looking for natural relief? Consider foot massage. It's a home practice that can improve your sleep quality and ease those nagging headaches. Many find it helpful for sciatic nerve pain too, bringing comfort. Beyond that, it's believed to help balance your hormones naturally and even give a boost to reproductive health. A holistic approach, right at your feet.